What's up, guys? Today we've got a V6 that I'm working on. It's the Mrs. Brothers car. Just a oil change on it, and suss out why his sub had stopped working. So I grabbed a few things that I got out. Obviously connection points aren't the best, so I'll set them up and let's get started. So as you can see, I've hooked up the connections properly, but there's still no power to the amp to power the sub. So my question thing is, it might be the cheap line out converter. So lucky I've got a replacement, and then I'll just start cutting wires and join them back up. Let's get into it. Okay, now they're all done. Normally I wouldn't do that if I had a soldering iron, but you know, mine's broken, so always try to do things the proper way, not dodgy. So yeah, let's keep getting on with the repair. Now that's all hooked up. What it turned out to be, the line out converter wasn't stuffed apparently, is when they hooked it up originally, they didn't sand down the point for the negative. One job done off the lift today. Next, just an oil change. Okay, so what I've done now is I've dropped the oil, or got it dropping, and I've just cracked that off. Just remember, it's always going to be tension down. So, in some cases, I've seen that actual part being snapped, the nut off there. So, just be careful when taking that off. So, but yeah, what I'm doing now is just going to do air filter, let the oil drain for about an hour or so just so it's thoroughly out. Got it jacked up, as you can see. So I've got the oil pushing out. So in the meantime, while it's draining, just going to be putting the car back together what I've taken apart to fix the line out converter. It's a better picture for the oil filter for you. So whenever doing the oil filter, always put the new O-ring on. Sure it's clean. That. Clicks in that way, so that's always on the bottom. I take it, pop it in, make sure it's finger tight, grab your tension wrench, and it's 25. Now it's just normally you want to hear 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Alright, so that's the oil. He's running. 5:30. So let's set this up and get this oil in and kick it over. Kick it over and see how it sounds. That's the old oil, so pretty black. Good, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe. I do have a big video coming up that I want to make
on the Ford territory. So stay tuned and wait for that one to drop. Thank you guys.